Hello guys, today I will be showing you how you can use a virtual machine online. First you have to go to Google and search hol.vmware.com. Okay, and click the first link over here, and when this loads, there will be a button called get started. You have to click that, and it will redirect you to the register page. So you have to register, then this will come, and then you have to search over here desktop. Okay, and this is a Windows 10 virtual machine, and this will be the HOL215101, and you have to click enroll. Like over here, to click enroll, I have already enrolled, so I will click this again, and I have actually used this. So let me resume this. And okay, so on Android it will show this partially supported device, and I believe in iOS also it will be showing this. So you click this and click desktop site. Okay, now it will come, and on a mobile device, you mouse and keyboard are not necessary, because you can use the touch as the mouse, and the keyboard is on screen keyboard is already there. So I was actually using this, as I said, and here is the command prompt. You can use the command prompt and much more. So if you want to remove all this, you want to do it full screen, click this toggle full screen over here button. And then if you want a bigger window, only this, and this at the top, you click maximize. And okay, so here we are in the Windows 10. I think this is Windows Server 2012. So this is not very up to date, but it is what it is. So you can work with what you have, and you can use. There is an application called Putty. This is, I think, a networking thing. So there are many pre-installed applications over here, like Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, that is obviously available on all desktops. And so there is VMware Horizon client, and Notepad plus, and much more. So if you are expecting a specific program over here, you can just see here. Okay, so what is this? This is actually this is some Odyssey, VMware Odyssey. It's a quiz, I think so. So there is remote desktop connection, so you can directly do it from the website or use it from a program. So this is very good actually, and this is the IP address of the server, and this is it. There are actually more operating systems but I can't find more. I had find some Linux operating system, but it was showing some error. But I will link both this VMware links in the description, so you can just skip the searching part and click the link below, and you will get everything. So okay, so here that bar also came, and so this is it. Thank you for watching. I comment down below if you have some problems. I have some problems over here with the internet, but I think so it will be fixed. So bye.